Hi folks, this is Jason. Hope you're okay today. It's good to see you. I'd like to give a test, and I would advise you not to do the test because this could seriously shake your skepticism. This test will seriously challenge you and will seriously shake your skepticism. So I advise you not to do the test if you don't want to be shaken. This is a very dangerous test, and you must think about the consequences before you do it. Okay. Basically, this is a test that will challenge you to show you that you're not as reasonable, logical, scientific as you claim to be. Okay? Therefore, presents a serious challenge to your skepticism. Now, you claim to be a person of science and evidence, a person of reason and logic, and wanting to base your position on this. Okay? You will admit that Christianity's basic foundations are that there is a God, that there are moral absolutes, and that Jesus is the Son of God. And part of that foundation are the Ten Commandments, are absolutely key to understanding Christianity. And if you're going to reject Christianity, you have to at least understand the basics of the Christian faith, and one of the basics is the Ten Commandments. So here's my question. Before I ask the question, you need to go and get a pen. And as you get a pen, get some paper and stop the video, and then come back. So I hope that you've got a pen, I hope that you've got some paper, and if you were truly scientific, truly logical and reasonable, then you would obviously have looked into Christianity, found out what it's all about, and then adequately rejected Christianity. Okay, here's my test. If you're so reasonable and logical and evidential, you would at least know the basics of the Christian faith, which are the Ten Commandments. So I ask to give me a list of the Ten Commandments in order, in the order that they're presented in Exodus chapter 20 verse 1 to 17. So write out the Ten Commandments in the order that they're presented in the text, without looking at the Bible. Not just the Ten Commandments, but in order. And if you can't do that, if you don't even know the order of the basics of the Ten Commandments, a basic thing like that, if you're ignorant of that, you're not as scientific and logical and reasonable as you claim to be, and you're required to be a bit more humble in your critique of Christianity. Thank you for listening, and take care. Please leave your comments and statements, and think about coming to know Jesus Christ as your Lord and Saviour. Thank you.